Hello, this is another training for you in the blog. Now, again, I have a Divi blog, but some of these will also apply in the other themes, whichever one you choose. So, you want to have some things along the side. We call them widgets. As you can see, I've got this little one and this one. These are other offers that I have available to people. So, I want to create another offer. So one thing I can do is, first of all, I've got a blog that I am taking information off of, and I am making these have the same place. So I'm going to save these because I found out something, that we have 500 megabyte space inside of our media files, which isn't very much if you have a lot of, like to use a lot of images. And of course you do want to optimize them so they don't load slowly. But remember, I have this other site that I'm using. So I just saved this right here, and I'm also going to click on it to make sure I use the same link that I have right here, which is my newsletter. So anyway, I'm going to go into, this is Imgur, I think you pronounce it, IMGUR. I've been using this as my place that I am hosting images for my blog. And this is just for the blog, not doing anything else with it. So I saved that. That would have dropped into my download folder. Take a moment here for it to show up. So here it is. So I want that image in here, and then I'm going to click on it, and that gives me all these links. Now the one you want is called direct link, and I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to come up here into, I'm going to delete this, and this is just a blog post, a regular blog post with the WordPress. It's not in the Divi Builder. And I'm going to actually add that, but I'm going to add it from link, not from the media. And so there is that picture. So what I did is insert media, but I'm not going to my gallery of media. I am going to use that outside link. So now that is in here. Now I want it to link up with this news media, this news this free new report that I have in here. So the next thing I want to do is I want to click on this picture, and I want to click on insert or edit link. Do it again. Come on, hello. There it is. Okay, so we want to paste it in here. Now the next thing is, we don't want it to change where they are in the blog. We want the blog to stay open, because if it stays open and puts it in a new tab, they're likely to come back to the blog if they want to. So I'm going to do that. Now the last piece is, you want to come over here, and there's a specific place I came. Now let me show you how I got here. I go to dashboard, I'm sorry, this is running slower than it should be, but I've got a lot of tabs open. And I want to go to Appearance. Appearance is where all of the parts are inside that makes the blog look attractive for other people. So I want it to take me to Appearance. I'm going to go to Customize. And I'm going to go to make sure I'm in the blog, not on the home page, because that makes a difference in what it shows over here. And then I want to go to Widgets, and I want to go to Sidebar. This is the things that are going to appear on the side of the blog. And I want to create a new one. So I'm going to do that, plus, and I'm going to come down and find a text. Text allows you to insert HTML, and you don't have to write HTML. The way that's going to happen is I want this whole thing, including the link, so I'm going to use text. See, visual, you see everything, and text, you're going to see the HTML or the code. And we're going to grab that code, and then we're going to come back over here to this place where we showed this, and we're going to drop that into the content area, and then we're going to save it. Now let's go and see as soon as it finishes. It should save. And it's not getting us that. There we go. Okay, so now let's go and see what we've done with that. So we want to be in the blog section, and here is the widgets that I've created so far, and there is the one I just now did. This is one that just brings them over to my newsletter. You can pretty much put anything in here, and what's really cool is you can use your PLS links, whether they are going directly to PLS or whether they are going to something else you want to share with people. And what's nice about having a colorful and interesting widget over here is that it makes people want to see what you are offering. So if I click this now, it will take me into a new tab, and it will take me to that capture page. So I hope that helps. Definitely slow this down, pause this, and do it step by step just as I did it. I know I did it kind of fast, but if you just slow it down, that's a good way to actually put this into practice. Take each piece that I gave you and go over and do it in your own Power Blog. And then once you've completed it, why don't you share underneath how it went? And you can even share your blog post, your blog link, and share it with the group so that we can all see what you accomplished. I hope that helps. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.